As a YouTuber with small subscriber and you've not even monetized your channel yet, you've not gotten your 4,000 watch hour and you are less than 1,000 subscriber, let me tell you something. You can start making money on your YouTube channel. Yes, debunk whatever anybody has told you. You can make money on your YouTube channel. Yes, because if you treat YouTube like a business, it's going to give you the money that you deserve. And you have been waiting for AdSense, you're waiting for band deals when you can monetize your knowledge on YouTube. Now, these are the 4 ways I'm going to be teaching you how you can monetize your YouTube channel without waiting for your 4,000 watch hour to get completed or waiting for 1,000 subscriber, because this is a proof that even as a small channel you can get brand collaboration. Do you see? People are seeing your channel, and if you have knowledge, if you have something to impart to people, please monetize it. You can do video editing, you can do thumbnail editing, you can edit good thumbnails, you can create good designs. Please monetize it. When you come to YouTube, put one thing at the back of your mind, that you are coming here to make money, because it is not easy creating content, editing the content, posting it on YouTube, putting time and effort into what you're doing, and you're saying you want to do things for free. No, you're not doing anything for free. Now let's dive into how we can make money on YouTube. And if you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Blessing. I teach tips and strategies on how you can grow your YouTube channel organically. And if this is the video that you have been searching for, you have seen me, subscribe to my channel so that you not miss any of my future contents. Now let's dive into this video. Now, for what you are supposed to do as a YouTuber is that you have to strategize and set your channel as a monetized channel from the start. Even with 50 subscribers, set your channel as a monetized channel from the start. All the content you are supposed to be putting out, you are supposed to be making sure that people believe in what you can dish out, in what you can deliver, in what you can do. Make people to believe in what you can do. When they do that, then you can monetize your knowledge. How do you do this? Every of your video that you are making, make it good. Tell people what you can do, and then let people see that you can really do this thing, and then you can monetize your channel. So this is the first way you're going to monetize your channel as a small YouTuber with less than 1,000 subscriber. One, you can take one-on-one coaching. Yes, one-on-one coaching. There are so many people on YouTube that even if you make hundreds of videos and show them how to do something, they will not still understand. You need to hold them by the hand and then show it to them. So people are looking for who is going to coach them and school them one-on-one. So why not do that? Take one-on-one coaching, and then you can charge a whole lot of money for it. You can charge a whole lot of money because it's going to take your time and you're going to be coaching that person alone. So if you have a client that message you for one-on-one coaching, please take it, because you don't need to get your AdSense set up or to get brand deals before you can start making money on YouTube. So now, if you are in my niche and you are doing a one-on-one coaching, you can do like a growth strategy call. Most people in my niche, what people call us for is how they can be able to grow their channel. So if they want to get clarity from me, or you want to get how you can be able to grow your channel organically, and how you can get your 4,000 watch hour and your 1,000 subscriber and then grow on YouTube, that is where I will now take a growth strategy call. And I also do one-on-one coaching. In case you want to grow your channel, you will need some tips, you need some strategies, I am here for your one-on-one coaching. Now click the link in my description box to be able to book a call with me. Now, the second thing you can do as a channel, as a small YouTuber with less than 1,000 subscriber and you've not monetized your channel yet, to be able to earn on you start, is to organize workshop and group coaching. That is, you are going to organize a class for your audience. For example, if you are a very good graphic designer, you can organize a class and teach people how to design using Canva, using all type of design templates. You can teach them and organize a class for that. That is the second way you can also monetize your knowledge on YouTube. If 10 to 20 people sign up for your class, you have made the money that you are not even going to make on YouTube AdSense in a month. And if you charge well, So what are you waiting for? Start doing that now. Monetize your knowledge right now. The third way you can monetize your knowledge on YouTube is to create templates. Many people are lazy and they don't want to even do anything. They cannot learn anything. They just want to copy your own strategy and implement it. So what do? Just create a template and sell it. If you know how to monetize, if you know how to create Canva templates, or maybe a birthday card, a birthday this thing on Canva, just go and create a template there. People that want to, they don't know how to design, like somebody is new in designing, or the person does not even want to learn how to design, the person needs a design for their child's birthday, the person can just go there and then buy your template. You can also put the template link of your Canva or whatever app you are using for your design in the description of your YouTube channel, and then anybody that wants to buy your work will just go there, click on the link, and then buy that template and edit it to their own name. That's the only thing they are changing in that template, just the name and the words, and then the money is in your account. You are making passive income this way, and this way you are going to be making income for life, because this thing you have created, this digital product you have created, will keep giving you money even when AdSense decide to demonetize your channel or whatever might happen to your channel. You will keep making money even off YouTube. That is how good this is. That is the third way you can be able to make money on YouTube. As an in my niche, and as a YouTuber, a full-time YouTuber, you can create any type of templates to give to your subscribers. Now for the fourth way, and this is the most general and the most unsaturated way, people are even overlooking this method because they feel affiliate marketing is so underrated, because you can be talking about a product in your video and then people will start asking, where did you do this, how did you get this, where did you can put your affiliate link in the description, and when they use your link to buy this product, you get a discount. That's how you make passive income. See, being an affiliate marketer is limitless. You can have so many affiliate link from top brands, big brands that you know that you can vouch for and you can recommend to your audience easily. So what do you have to do? Sign up as a affiliate marketer and earn commission on your sale. It means that they are not going to be paying you every month. They only pay when people use your link to buy that particular product or use that particular app. As a YouTuber, I can give you I can sign up to, like for example, I can sign up to VidIQ affiliate marketing and then put my link in the description and talk about their products. When I talk about their products, I'll put the link, I'll tell you how good their product is, and if you like it and want to use it as I have recommended, then you can use my link. And then when you purchase your first subscription, I get a bonus for it, and I'll get paid at the end of the month once I've gotten to their threshold. Some affiliates link, their threshold is usually $100, some is $50. So why would you leave $50, $100 on the table to just go away like that? And you're just recommending products. You're not putting your link. Please dive into affiliate marketing right now, but make sure that you are using trusted apps. You are using apps that is not broken, that is not going to take people out of YouTube. You are using apps that are worthy and trustworthy, so that YouTube will not ban your channel. Please you don't need to sign to so many affiliate marketing. You can pick few trusted ones and then start making your money from there. That is how you can create a digital product with less than 1,000 subscribers. So who told you that you cannot make money on YouTube? Who says who? So if you want my one-on-one coaching on how you can grow your YouTube channel, or how you want to get your 1,000 subscriber and you are confused, you don't know how to do it, I'm going to walk you by the hand like this and teach you how you are going to get your 1,000 subscriber. So give me a call, book it in the link below, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.